Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about a bed frame or bed frames that we purchased from IKEA. This particular model is called the UTÅKER. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the Swedish word correctly or not, but this particular model is actually a stackable bed. So it's very easily to transform from a single twin bed into a double bed or into a corner sofa if you wanted to. So it's very convenient, especially if you have two kids at home. So for us, our oldest one has outgrown his toddler bed. As we were searching for a new bed for him to sleep on, we came across this particular product. All other bed frames we were looking at, they are individual bed frames. But this particular model comes in with 2 packs. When our youngest one is ready to move out of the toddler's bed, she can go straight into the second bed frame that this IKEA model already provided. By our account, this is a perfect bed frame for a family that have 2 kids. Now, even though these 2 bed frames are exactly the same, there are subtle differences only in the packaging. So if you do decide to go IKEA purchase this bed frame, make sure that you grab 2 sets. One is labeled 1, the other one labeled 2. Now the bed frames themselves are the same, but only box 1 has manual instruction. The assembly is quite straightforward. All you need is a screwdriver. Everything else is already provided inside the box. The amount of time that it requires you to assemble this, I would say is roughly about 20 to 30 minutes per bed frame. Something you do need to keep in mind of is they provide you with this thing called cam nut. It has an arrow on top. The arrow must be facing upward and the arrow has to pointing out of the bed frame as well. Otherwise, you're going to have a hard time to have this cam nut tying up the screw that's going to connecting the bed frame. Since both bed frames are identical, I only show you the video of assembling one of the bed frame. The bed frames are very versatile. You can have both of them stacked together as a single twin bed or have them separate as 2 twin beds, which what we're going to end up doing down the road with our 2 kids. Or if you want to make the bed bigger, you can strap both of them together as a double bed. They do have a strap on the side. If you want to turn this into a double bed, make sure you securely strap them. As far as for the mattress, we ordered from mygreenmattress.com and we got the Pure Eco Organic Kids mattress. This mattress has a high quality GOTS and GOLS certified and is 8 inches thick, low profile mattress. It has 704 individually pocket coils inside the mattress as well. It's made without flame retardant chemicals, no polyurethane, and no fiberglass. And this mattress will support up to 400 pounds. Since it has coil inside, if you do buy this mattress, open it up as soon as you receive the mattress. As far as for the mattress cover and also the bed sheets, we went for products that's from the company store. My wife bought it from them. I kept asking her, where did we purchase the bed sheets and the mattress cover? She kept telling me from the company store. I keep asking her which company store. So apparently there's a company called the company store. So yeah, we got the product from them. Anyway, so both products are organic. For the mattress protector, we went for their organic cotton sateen mattress box spring protector. And for the bed sheets, we went for the Forest Animals Classic Cool Organic Cotton Bed Sheets. I'll put all the product links in the description below so you can go check it out. So anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.